Welcome to Beit Yahweh, and welcome to our science series. We are looking at the epistemology, a little bit on the theory of knowledge, and there are some brilliant articles out there dealing with this Dawkins arrogance regarding his idea of how much science actually knows. This one is called Science's Finest Hour, and it's by from a dialogue taken from a novel called White Noise by Don DeLillo. This stuff I'm going to be sharing with you over the next few days or hours is brilliant, so just remember that. Okay, it's going to rain tonight. It's raining now, I said. The radio said tonight. Look at the windshield, I said. Is that rain or isn't it? I'm telling you what they said. Just because it's on the radio doesn't mean we have to suspend belief in the evidence of our senses. Our senses? Our senses are wrong a lot more often than they are right. This has been proved in the laboratory. Don't you know about all those theorems that say nothing is what it seems? There's no past, present, future outside our mind. The so-called laws of motion are a big hoax. Even sound can trick the mind. Just because you don't hear a sound doesn't mean it's not out there. Dogs can hear it, other animals. And I'm sure there are sounds even dogs can't hear, but they exist in the air, in waves. Maybe they never stop. High pitched, coming out from somewhere. Is it raining, I said, or isn't it? I wouldn't want to have to say. What if someone held a gun to your head? Who? You? Someone. A man in a trench coat and smoky glasses. He holds a gun to your head and says, is it raining or isn't it? All you have to do is tell the truth, and I'll put away my gun and take the next flight out of here. What truth does he want? Does he want the truth of someone traveling at almost the speed of light in another galaxy? Does he want the truth of someone in orbit around a neutron star? Maybe if these people could see us through a telescope, we might look like we were 2 feet 2 inches tall, and it might be raining yesterday instead of today. He's holding a gun to your head. He wants your truth. Your truth. What good is my truth? My truth means nothing. What if this guy with a gun comes from a planet in a whole different solar system? What we call rain, he calls salt. What we call apples, he calls rain. So what am I supposed to tell him? His name is Frank J. Smalley, and he comes from St. Louis. He wants to know if it's raining now, at this very minute. Here and now. That's right. Is there such a thing as now? Now comes and goes as soon as you say it. How can I say it's raining now if you're called now, if your so-called now becomes then as soon as I say it? You said there was no past, present, or future. Only in our verbs. That's the only place we find it. Rain is a noun. Is there rain here in this precise locality at whatever time within the next 2 minutes that you choose to respond to the question? If you want to talk about the precise locality where you're in a vehicle that's obviously moving, then I think that's the trouble with this discussion. Just give me the answer. Say, okay, Henrik. The best I could do is make a guess. Either it's raining or it isn't, I said. Exactly, that's my whole point. You'd be guessing 6 of one and half a dozen of the other. But you see it's raining. You see the sun moving across the sky, but is the sun moving across the sky or is the earth turning? I don't accept the analogy. You're so sure that's rain. How do you know it's not sulfuric acid from factories across the river? How do you know it's not fallout from a war in China? You want an answer here and now? Can you prove here and now that this stuff is rain? How do I know that what you call rain is really rain? What is rain, anyway? It's the stuff that falls from the sky and gets you what is called wet. I'm not wet. Are you wet? Alright. I said, very good. No, seriously, are you wet? First rate, I told him. A victory for uncertainty, randomness, and chaos. Science's finest hour. Be sarcastic. The sophists and the hair splitters enjoy their finest hour. Go ahead. Be sarcastic. I don't care. Okay, so you heard that. That was brilliant. We're going to go through some of these brilliant articles I found in this amazing textbook, Theory of Knowledge. by a man called Lagermatt. So that's the first one. I hope you enjoyed it.